Um, this is apartment one, apartment two. This square-like bubble-like stuff is the avatars will be in between. I can see they're walking. When they get in close or within that range of an infected person, they get sick, and that's how the virus transfers from one person to another through contact or handshaking, like handshaking or having a conversation with someone, and there's droplets from the infected person, which can also travel through air and get in contact with the healthy person and someone. Each time the healthy person comes within that proximity sensor, they get sick. And right now I have 15 avatars, which moves randomly from the apartment one to the hospital, to the gas station, to the school, or to the mall. They move randomly. When I press the F key, there's supposed to be a flashing light from the ambulance, but I've not been able to sort that out. I don't know, I keep having an error when I press F. My screen starts blinking. This is what happens. I've not been able to fix it yet. I'm still trying to work on it. The count is right down here. So each time anyone gets infected or in close contact with an infected person, they get sick, and each time they get sick, it counts, initiates a count by one. This follow-up is where I create each avatar, and right here I have 1 to 15, and it look they move randomly from location from the apartment one, the first apartment to the second apartment. We have the second apartment, we have the gas station, we have the hospital, we have the market, we have the school. They move randomly. Here I have the infected person. People being infected between the ranges of 1 to 3 for the infected people. So I can change the numbers here. I can reduce the number of infected people. I can increase it. I can also increase the number of people that are not infected. I can change this to 10. The right now I have 10 avatars. The ambulance, gonna make it is gonna carry the those that are affected from the houses to the hospital. I'm still trying to work on that. And the flashlights on the ambulance. The avatars that are showing red are the ones who are um, infected with COVID-19 or coronavirus. And as they walk around and they come in contact with uh, the avatars which are healthy, which are not showing red, they get infected. Count, um, the count's supposed to be appearing on the screen. Yeah, but this way the count is. So see how it's being counted. The count is initiated. So right now we have just three infected. Okay, now from three, now there are four. Okay, you say the number keeps increasing. So each time the healthy person comes across in contact with the sick person or the carrier, the count initiates, or when they come close to that proximity sensor, within the proximity sensor, they get infected and the count is initiated. It shows that the fact that they're not keeping social distancing among themselves, you see how the virus keeps spreading from one person to another. And also, if we stay home, sick will get infected. Still going to add some models and cars, trees, and other stuff. So this is the end of my presentation.